The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no smoking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right. Devonta Winston, I'm sorry.
Yes.
All right, go ahead, take that off your head for a minute, okay? Thank you. Now calling the matter of the people of Devonta Winston. This is ticket 227425591. This is one count drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Joseph Pernicano, P84908, appearing on behalf of Devonta Winston. State your name, Mr. Winston.
Devonta Winston.
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to speak with the city attorney on this. We are here for a arraignment on a bench warrant. Oh, excuse me, Your Honor, I apologize. This was not on the docket today. He appeared yesterday and reappeared today at the court's direction. But however, I had an opportunity to speak with the city attorney. Mr. Winston has obtained his license and now has a valid license. And we're asking the court to dismiss the ticket on the docket.
Okay. All right. With that being said, it does say arraignment on a bench warrant. Mr. Winston, you do know that you have some other pre-trials on April 26th, right, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. But as of today, seeing that you have now a valid license, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Just make sure you come back on the 26th of April to finish the rest of your cases, okay?
Yes, Your Honor, to get everything else dismissed. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. I'm just making sure, Mr. Winston, that you remember. Don't forget, okay?
Yes, just make sure you had the same smile on the 26th.
I will, as long as nobody ruffles my feathers. I will, Mr.
Okay.
Winston. All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set. Thank you very much, okay? All right. Bye-bye. Laughing at me, Miss Wagner? All right, unmute yourself. Tell me how to pronounce your first name, please. Shatina? Unmute yourself. Hold on.
Okay, there we go. Shastine.
Shastine.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Now calling the matter of people versus Shastine Wagner. This is ticket number 318559. This is one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 366354, count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also ticket number SP 1154843. This is one count, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. She also has a ticket in default that went along with this other ticket of SP 1154843. That's SP 1154821. That's one count, disregard signal red or amber. It is currently in default. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Ms. Wagner.
Ms. Wagner, can you state your name for the record, please?
Shastine Wagner.
Thank you so much. Counsel, how are we moving forward today?
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to review a plea recommendation, and Ms. Wagner has, and I've had an opportunity to discuss that with her. She is prepared to accept that, which is to plead guilty to an amended 2 failure to displace with a dismissal of the balance.
Attorney Walker, I did add an additional count that you heard on the record, the disregard signal red or amber. Are we able to put that with this plea today or no?
We are, Judge. The people would be willing to dismiss that if she's accepting the plea to 2 failed to displace.
All right. You understand that, Ms. Wagner? We're going to take that ticket that's in default right now, bring it out And then we're gonna have you just plead to 2 counts of fail to display. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right. First, I want to take your attention back to the date of January 13th of 2021. I apologize, 2021. Were you driving an Oldsmobile in the area of Conant in Nevada in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that, was your license not valid at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Also drawing your attention to the date of July 14th of 2017. Were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Wyoming in West Auto Drive in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you not have an operator's license on you at that time?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter 2 pleas to the reduced charge of fail to display a valid operator's license. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank
Ma'am, did you have, are these all your tickets? Did you have any additional civil infractions that you're aware of?
I'm not sure. I shouldn't, but I'm still have to check and see with Secretary of State. I'm not sure. Well, not for Detroit, for that matter. It should be on.
It's okay, hold on 1 second, I'm gonna look something up real quick.
Okay.
You got 4 reinstatement fees, you don't have to pay. Well, 3 reinstatement fees, okay. All right. All right, I'm gonna charge you $200 on one of the tickets, okay? The
Mm-hmm.
other ticket, I'm gonna waive the cost and fines, but that's because you have what's called reinstatement fees. So you have 3 of those are $45 a piece, and you have to pay them all, okay?
At the Secretary of State?
No, you pay it with us. I know they have their separate reinstatement fees, but we have
Okay.
$45 reinstatement fees to get clearance, okay?
Okay.
You gotta pay those plus my $200 fine. I'll waive the cost and fines on one of the ticket though, so that way you'll only end up paying, let's see, 45 times 3. $335, okay?
Okay. So will this be coming out my bond money?
Oh, you paid some bond money?
Yeah, I did.
How much bond money did you give? Yeah, it can't come out of that.
600.
Okay, so we'll have, oh, you can give us a little bit more then, huh?
I just want to get my life together and get on
I
track.
know
The right
because
way.
you said that and you being honest, we'll take this money out your bond money. Make sure, you might want to come down here too, if you can, to make sure they take the fees and everything out your bond money. And then whatever remaining amount they'll mail back to you, okay? And then you can
Okay.
apply to get your license. Because I see you've taken care of some tickets in the past too. And you have those
Yes.
closed out. So I'm gonna give you a little break today, but that means that
Thank
you don't need to
you.
come back and see me again, okay?
I'm not. I'm going to get it together.
All right, Ms. Wagner. I understand it's tough though. And you
Yes,
don't want to get
it
too far
is.
behind. Because it's hard
Thank
trying to dig out sometimes, okay? So just stay on the course, okay?
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. You enjoy the rest of your day. Like I said, I'll put on the ticket removed from bond, but come down here too to make sure they take it out the right way, okay?
Okay. I sure will. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You too.
I will, thank you. William Willis, press *6 on you. That's the one you weren't able to talk to.
Yeah, I went through all that with him several times and never heard anything. So we can move forward on Dorothy Washington.
All right, Miss Washington, hello. Miss Washington,
I'm sorry. I'm having
okay.
difficulties on my phone.
It's okay. Are you able to turn your camera on today, ma'am?
Yes, 1 second. Oh,
Okay.
God. I hate this phone.
That's okay. See me asking you to start your video. You had it on at one point.
Oh, God. Why do we keep doing that?
All right. So Miss Washington only has some of her tickets on the record. It might be sitting versions.
Yeah, all these matters are going to be being set for bench trial, Your Honor.
All right, I know we've been working with Miss Washington for a long time. You don't know that, counsel, but Miss Washington, it's okay. I'm just gonna call your cases, especially because we're just gonna set it for bench trial, okay?
Okay.
There we go.
Hi, Miss
Yes,
Washington.
ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Dorothy Washington. This is ticket SP 1039103. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1044233, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Ticket number SP 1046947, count 1, driver's license expired. Count 2, registration and/or plate violation. Ticket number SP 1057115, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1066624, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1088158, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 1156629, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plates. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP 1174242, count 1, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1191027, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Ticket number SP 1194031, drove while license not valid or improper. Ticket number SP 1200416, drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number 457377, count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, no insurance. Ticket number 4542040, count 1, no operator's license on person. And ticket number 516793, this is count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, open alcohol and motor vehicle driver. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Ms. Washington.
Good morning, Ms. Washington. Can you say your name for the record, please?
Dorothy Washington.
Hi, Ms. Washington. How are you doing?
I'm okay.
Okay. All right. So, counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to speak with my client, and we're setting this matter for a bench trial.
Ms. Washington, can you please raise your right hand? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your
Yes,
hands
Your
down.
Honor.
Okay. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'm going to set it for, write this down, Ms. Washington.
Okay.
May 30th. May 30th at 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Okay.
All right, you still on that same, still trying to pay off some of those
Yeah,
reinstatement fees? I know.
I was telling my attorney, my mom had passed away last
I
year.
remember she had passed
And right
away.
after
Yeah.
that, my son ended up going into a cardiac arrest. Well, not cardiac arrest, but he's hooked up to a ventilator right now. So I've been going through hell right now with trying to balance everything out. So
Yeah.
I do apologize, but I am trying. I just got back to working and I'm just trying my best right now. That's all.
Let's set this for a bench trial. That way we'll see who shows up and then we can get rid of some. Oh, Miss Washington. I know. So you don't know the background attorney. Miss Washington been with me since I basically started the bench. And she has been trying, and on every end, every time she come back, it just be a lot going on. She signed in the day after her mother passed away to try and handle some of this matter. And she was trying to get it together, and I know it's a lot. And once you get in that hole, it's hard to get out of. But we're gonna see who comes for the trial, okay? May 30th, that gives you a little bit of time out, okay, Miss Washington? You know, I've never been mean to you, and I know it's a lot. So and I know you're trying because you keep signing back on.
Yes,
So I
ma'am. I'm
know
trying to get
even
these
when you do
tickets
miss, you
taken
do
care
try
of.
and come back. So I appreciate that.
Okay.
So we gonna get it together, Miss Washington, okay? Deep breath.
Okay.
It's gonna be all
Thank
right.
you.
We gotta try and maneuver somehow and get through some of these tickets, okay?
Okay.
All right, Miss Washington, we'll see you back May 30th for your bench trial at 9 a.m. Good luck to you, and I'll be keeping your son in my prayers and in my thoughts, okay?
Thank you, Judge. See you
You're
later.
welcome. All right, see you later. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, we got some other folks who signed on. I'm hoping one of them is William Willis?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, fantastic. All right, we can hear him now. Do you mind going into a breakout room to talk to him, attorney?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay, can we rename him first? We're gonna rename him first, and then we'll put him in a breakout room with you so that you can talk to him. Thank you for signing out, Mr. Willis, so that we can hear you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
All right, so you can go ahead. We can put him into a breakout room, and then he can talk to the attorney. Okay, and that's probably gonna be the last one for this morning. We don't have a huge docket, attorney. Okay.
He's gonna go in number 2.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Counsel, you don't need me for this case, do you?
No, this is just a review, Ms. Walker. We're all set. It's
Okay.
10:14. Thank you. Appreciate
All
it.
right, I'm gonna sign off. Thank you, Judge.
Thank
Have a good
you.
day.
I forgot. All right, you ready, Miss Attorney?
I am, Your Honor. Now, on this one, this is a review, so I don't know if we have the probation documents in the file.
I got it.
All
We
right,
have
we're
it.
good to
He's
go
all
then.
set, so just
All
call
right.
it, okay?
And she should have known.
Now calling the matter of the people versus William Willis. This is ticket 745976. This is one count drove while this is one count amended to improper plates. He was to have done 20 hours. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Of community service. And then return on this date with that completed. Can I have appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please?
Joseph Pernicano, P 84918, appearing on behalf of Mr. Willis. State your name, Mr. Willis.
William Willis.
All right. Today's the date and time set, as I said, for a review on this. I do have a copy from the 36th District Court Probation Community Service Compliance Report saying that he has completed 20 hours of community service at Volunteers of America. So at this time, the court is going to just close out this matter. You have taken care of the responsibilities. Thank you, Mr. Willis, for coming back the first time with it all completed, okay?
Thank you, Your
No
Honor.
problem, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you so much. So you're all set, okay?
So, Your Honor, can I go get my license now?
You should be able to. I don't think you had to pay any fees. Let me check though and see if there's anything on there that might stop you. All right. You got a couple of other things it looks like. Are you able to come down here or call the Secretary of State's office and see which ones you need to pay in order to get, we can take off the late.
Well, I can take these.
We're gonna take off some late fees on some tickets you have in disposition that wasn't on my docket from a while ago. And then you just need to ask them if there's any tickets on this that you need to pay. Usually, the tickets that are insurance will stop you from getting your license. Now, I don't know if that's true, 100%, but you can always ask the Secretary of State's office, Mr. Willis, and they'll tell you what tickets you need to make sure you take care of, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're very welcome, okay?
Yes,
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set. Thank you, sir.
thank you.
All right, have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Am I all set?
Yeah, you can be